So the reason for today's video is because I actually have something different to eat this time. Take take the word different very loosely, because it's just same food but made a bit differently. So I have 6 beef meatballs. Have a look, a little meatball, some sweet potato, and 2 peaches. I'm actually gonna put the peaches on the side here. And I'm gonna eat it with some ketchup. No sugar added ketchup. And why not a tiny little bit of hot sauce? It's peri peri 2-calorie sauce. Not that hot sauce has much calories anyway. But here we are. Okay, let's dig in. I don't know what to start with. There's so many options on the plate. Boom, we have the meatball. Dip it in a bit of ketchup, hot sauce mixture. Not good. So one of the meatballs already down. And now let's tackle another one. Hope yous are all good. I hope the week is flying for all of you. For me, it was a very long week. It was a very long week for me. Just between the personal training course and going to work and trying to keep fit as well. It's a crazy task. Even now, like, I have to do this video quick and then I have to go do more homework. Oh yeah, fucking thumbnail. That was good. And ketchup is even better. Right. So what happened to me this week with the homework is so all week I was doing questions that we got for the homework, obviously. And just yesterday I found out last night I'd stayed up really late doing questions, trying to finish. And last night I was stuck on the questions, so I texted in the group chat at my course. I'm like, what's up lads? Does anyone have the answer to this? And someone replied to me and they said, I think those are the wrong questions. And I sent them, aren't these the questions that I'm doing? and they said no. So all week I was doing the wrong questions and I was busting my ass trying to do them. And today I have like a whole week's worth of questions to complete because tomorrow is the deadline and I did the wrong questions. So if your week is going even a little bit better than that, take it handy, cause chill out. It's Friday tomorrow. Just prepare for the weekend, you know. If you're working this weekend, sorry, you just need to get through it. The day off will be soon. But until then, watch me eat this sweet potato. No? Does anyone want me to make a short on how I make my sweet potato? Like, look how soft it is. Hold on. Look how soft that sweet potato is. Let me know if anyone wants a little short on how I make my sweet potato. Has to be one of my favorite carb sources. And it gets eaten so easy. So if you're great bulking, well, I guess if you're bulking, you should really be eating rice more than sweet potato. I guess normal potato goes down just as easy. I noticed I'm talking a lot more in my videos. I don't know if you prefer that, or if you prefer just the silent, emotionless chews. But I make these videos as if I'm sitting down with a friend eating a meal, you know. Bit more ketchup and a bit more hot sauce. Well, let's dip the sweet potato in the new batch of sauce. Bang it. I'm very dirty, but I just came back from work, so that's why. I don't know if it's because I'm just stressed out because of the course and trying to stay on top of my training, but does anyone else get it when you're tired? You just crave shite. And don't know where it came from, but I'm craving chocolate so much, just pure chocolate, you know, like the sharing bars. I could eat like 2 whole sharing bars. That's what I've been craving. Maybe even creme eggs. I tried a white chocolate creme egg maybe like a month ago, and I've been thinking about it ever since. So this weekend I think I'm gonna take my girlfriend. I wanna go to a museum, and then after I wanna buy some chocolate. That's my plans for the weekend. Some might think that's boring, but for me, that sounds exciting. That sounds like a good weekend. Museum and chocolate. Let me know in the comments what kind of chocolate do you like, brands, flavors. Give me some ideas, on what I should get. I'll definitely get a creme egg this weekend, but I'll get something else as well. I guess my favorite chocolate bar for a long time was a Snickers bar, but I just ate so many that it just seems so basic now. And I'm always a sucker for white chocolate. Anything white chocolate, man, it just catches my eye. I don't know why. I know there's no real chocolate in white chocolate. I just love it. I think it's just oil and sugar, really, in white chocolate. There's no actual cacao in it. I love Toblerone bars. Ooh, just anything with nut and chocolate or white chocolate. I'm a sucker for it. Okay, the meat is gone, so we're left with just carbs now. Okay. It's still good, this stuff, even if it's not chocolate. Mm. Come on. I'm trying not to get it off the plate. Last bite. Okay, I better leave the plate right under me because these peaches are juicy that I'm about to eat. Okay. First, I need some water. That was a lovely meal. I loved every bit of that. That was, if you're bulking, here's a tip. One sec. If you're bulking, trying to put on muscle, and it's hard for you to get the food down, that was like 550 grams of beef I just ate there. And it didn't even feel like it because I had it in 6 small meatballs. Just trick the mind and you can get more food down. Okay, these 2 beautiful peaches, I'm gonna eat these next. Gonna go with this one first. Juicy as fuck, lovely. Damn, that's so good. peach is like the perfect combination between sweet and sour. She's naked. But let's eat our friends now. It's just such a nice colour as well on the peach. Like, look at that. I'd fucking want my car to be that colour. That's nice. Okay, this one's way juicier and not sour at all. This one's just full sweet. Okay, I need to do homework now. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the weekend that's upcoming, and see you next time.